Hello everybody and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today we are working on the edger. And what we're going to do is a very simple, quick thing, but I'll show you why I think it's helpful. And that is we need a new edger blade. Our last one got kind of short, so it's only about that long and it doesn't really reach very far. What we need is a new edger blade, and yes, you can buy them in the big box stores, but they're pretty thin little things. And what I found is old mower blades, here's an old mower blade, work great. Got a hole in the center already, and we just cut off either end with a cutoff saw, and all of a sudden we have a brand new blade, and it's super thick, so they last a lot longer than the other edger blades. So just cut this off and I'll show you what that's like. All right, and there we have it. You can see it just barely fits in there, which is the way I want it. Gets maximum length, which cuts as deep as I want it to cut. So that's good for my edger because I've put a huge motor on it. Might not work for yours, but if it does, then it's a great use of old mower blades. All right, that's it for that one. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Bye. All right, so finished the entire yard. You can see there's barely any wear on that blade, which is great. So that should last maybe 2 more seasons. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching.